Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you how to disable or enable the traction control, or how Nissan calls it, the vehicle dynamic control. This video should apply to 6th generation of Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, there is no button anywhere on the dashboard that you can disable the dynamic control, but you can do it through the vehicle menu options. So you'll be using these buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, and you'll be looking at this screen on the instrument cluster. So first you want to access the settings, and you can do that by pressing the either left or right menu buttons to scroll through the menu options. So if you go all the way to the right, even more, so all the way to settings, and now you have the first option on the top. It's a VDC setting. To select it, you want to press the OK button. So right now you can see it's turned on, and now to disable it, press OK again, and this on button will gray out, and you'll get like this small icon here on the cluster, you see. And now that means that your traction control or dynamic control is turned off. Now this is a very important safety feature, and you should always have it on. You might want to turn it off in some special occasions, like if you get stuck in the snow or mud or things like that, but as soon as you're back on the road, it's always a good idea to have it on. So you will see like if you have it off, you'll have like a yellow icon here, and you'll have like a traction control. I'll zoom in a bit. You see you'll have traction control light on here, and this light here as well. And once I turn it back on, you can see all of those lights disappeared. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.